Hi everyone, I am Rohit Khairnar from Niti. Here we are demonstrating few videos which would be useful for you to sell the products during our event, which is Mandi, and which is the most famous event of our college. So talking about this event, like how to sell, there are many tips to sell. Everyone knows how to sell, but we should apply few techniques which can improve our selling skills. For example, voice modulation. The tone of the voice is very important aspect. For example, if you are talking to an older person, then you should be more polite. Your voice should be more soft, and they should understand it well. And if you are talking to a younger generation, or youth, anybody, teen, so you should be like talking them with directly with good strong voice, so that they can pay attention to your voice and then they can react accordingly. And talking to a lady, you need to be more polite while talking to a lady, because politeness, she requires politeness so that she can understand and she can feel well and she can hear what we want to convey. And the most simplest thing is the common sense while selling any product. For example, if you go to any customer while for selling any product, if you start a conversation with your product, for example, if I am starting as of now, if I am talking in English, hi sir, and the customer says in Hindi, then you should convert your language, change your language. If you are able to speak the other language, you should try talking in other language so that the customer can understand it more closely, rather than talking in other language which he can't understand. So just I will like to demonstrate one thing. My friend Umang will help me in this. Umang.
Yeah, hi.
Hi sir, we are here to sell this product for our event which is Mandi.
क्या है ये चीज क्या है?
ओके सर, ये हमारा इवेंट है नीति का महामंडी, जिसमें हम लोग ये चीज बेचेंगे जो टॉय है बच्चों के लिए. सर आप लेना चाहेंगे ये इवेंट?
Okay, sure. What is it?
ओके सर, ये नंबर बैलेंस है जिसमें हम आपको आपके बच्चे के लिए टॉय खेलने के लिए. ओके सर. So this way you need to change your language. If you are able to speak in other language which the customer can understand, you can try using this tip. So these are my two tips, where first is the voice modulation. According to different age group, you can little bit change or twist your tone of the voice so that they can understand it more clearly. And the language modulation, if you are able to change according to a customer, you should use their language so that they can use it, understand it more closely. Okay, thank you.
Anyone left?